Hello everyone, welcome to this live session regarding 200 MCQs for the banking static awareness. So we'll be seeing 50 questions in this part 1. So how much is your IQ for this static awareness? We shall see in this 50 questions in the part 1 of this banking or static awareness 200 MCQ session. So how is your preparation going on for the general awareness of various examinations, either it is SBI PO or Clerk or RBI grade B. RBI grade B we have 80 questions in the phase 1. So general awareness plays a major role, and out of all the banking examinations RBI grade B has the highest salary too, right? So let's see how much is your preparation going on. So shall we start? Very good afternoon for all of you. So let's wait for one more minute so that everyone will join us. Yes, moving on to first question of the day. So hope you can see my screen. The first question of the day is mobile money identifier is a 7-digit unique number issued by the bank. What are the last 3 digits represent? Is it to identify the account of the user, to identify the branch of the user, to identify the bank of the user, or all of the above, or none of these? Please be active in the session and answer the questions as soon as possible. Okay? Let's see how much is your preparation for general awareness. Who will be answering most of the questions? Most of you say it's to identify the bank of the user. So why MMID is used? MMID is generally used for fund transfer, right? It has 7 digits, all are numbers. No alphabet, right? So most of you say it's option number 3. So is it the right answer? Yes. It is not the right answer. It is to identify the account number of the user. See, first 4 digits will be for the identifying the bank of the user, and next 3 digits are used for the account of the user. Right? Those who have answered this question wrong, note it out as wrong. We'll see at this last your scores, your respective scores at the last. Okay? So MMID is generally used for fund transfer in IMPS. What does IMPS stands for? Immediate Payment Service. Right? So it is a 7-digit unique code. IFSC code is of 11 digits. Right? MICR code is of how many digits? 9 digits. Okay, these are very repeated questions in static or general awareness. Let's move on to the next question. What does the last character represent in PAN card number? How many digits are there in PAN card? 10 digits. It is alphanumeric, contains both alphabet as well as numbers. So what does the last character? So most of you say, what could be the answer for this question? What does the last character represent in PAN card? Some say it's option number 3, check digit. Some say option number 4, all of the above 3. Please note down your score also. We shall see at the last. How is your preparation going on? Yes, most of you have said option number 3. Option number 3 is the right answer. Check digit. Here suppose P is there. Suppose if you are a person, P stands for person. Hope you can verify here also. The 4th digit will be also P. Suppose if it is a company, C will be there. So 4th digit and the 10th digit will be the same check digit. They both should match. And the 5th digit should be the first letter of surname or last name. Suppose if your surname starts with V, so it will be V, right? This will be starting from AA to ZZ. Okay, these will be numbers. Clear about this? Right? Hope you got the additional information too. So PAN card has 10 digits. So in this way they will be ordered. Right? And PAN card is issued under section 139A of Income Tax Act 1961. Section 139A of Income Tax Act 1961. Clear everyone? Shall we move on to the next question? Third question of the day. What does I stands for in PPI? What does I stands for in PPI? What is check digit? I have already told you the 4th digit and 10th digit should match. That's why 10th digit will be same as the 4th digit. Okay. Yes, PDF will be provided. Don't worry about that. Answer the questions. That is very much important for us. What does I stands for? In PPI. Yes, most of you say it's option number 2, but it is not the right answer. But the right answer is instruments. Prepaid payment instruments. Like our debit cards, online transactions, all these are prepaid payment instruments. So PPI stands for prepaid payment instruments. Okay, clear with this? Next, which of the below facility cannot be provided by payment banks? This is a very repeated question in many of the general awareness static related questions of various banking examinations. Is it ATM card, debit card, net banking, mobile banking or credit cards? You can download the PDF. We'll give the PDF after the session is completed. In the description you can download the PDF. So who is going to answer this first? Payment banks. Yes, most of you say option number 5. Yes, option number 5 is the right answer. Credit cards are not provided by payment banks. Okay, what's the minimum capital required for a payment bank? It's 100 crores only. They cannot perform lending activities. They just favor. They can open you can open savings bank account, but they cannot perform lending activities. Okay, and the promoter's capital in the payment bank should be 40% for first 5 years. This question was also asked in last year some of the banking examinations. Okay, both in small finance bank and payment bank, the promoter's capital, equity capital must be, he must be holding 40% share in that payment bank. Which is the first payment bank? It's Airtel Payments Bank. Okay, recently it has violated KYC norms also. So you have to regulate this current affairs. Okay, whenever you are studying the current affairs or whenever you are encountering any question, you have to relate the current affairs. Okay, next. Aapka Bank Aapke Dwar is a tagline of, is it Airtel Payments Bank, India Post Payments Bank, Paytm Payments Bank, Fino Payments Bank or Vodafone M-Pesa? Aapka Bank Aapke Dwar. Who is going to answer? Taglines are also very important. Headquarters are also very important. And deposits should not cross 1 lakh. Yes, one of the person has told you. deposits in small finance bank as well as payments bank should not cross 1 lakh rupees, and the minimum capital in both is 100 crores. Suppose if I want to open a normal bank in India, it is 500 crores. Okay, both for domestic as well as foreign banks. So what's the tagline? Aapke bank aapke dwar. It is a tagline of IPPB. Who is the chairman or MD and CEO of IPPB? Suresh Sethi. Last year he was appointed. Suresh Sethi is the chairman of IPPB, India Post Payments Bank. Post offices offering the banking facilities. Separately it was started as a payments bank. Okay, clear with this? Moving on to next question of the day. Where is the headquarters of Paytm Payments Bank? Is it Noida, New Delhi, Haryana, Lucknow or Varanasi? पेटीएम पेमेंट्स बैंक का हेडक्वार्टर्स किधर है? Yes, most of you say New Delhi, some say Noida. I think whenever I've told you, whenever I've gone through the current affairs of Paytm Bank, I've repeatedly told you who is the founder of Paytm Bank, where is the headquarters of Paytm Bank. It is in Noida of Uttar Pradesh. Who is the founder of Paytm? It is a parent company of 197 Communications, and its founder is Vijay Shekhar Sharma, right? And its headquarters is at Noida of Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Next, the headquarters of Equator Small Finance Bank is a very repeated question. This was in news, in very frequently in news. Is it Guwahati, Thrissur, Coimbatore, Varanasi or Chennai? Equitas Small Finance Bank. What are small finance banks? To cater particularly unbanked population in rural areas, okay, as well as small and marginal farmers, micro and small enterprises. These are the target areas of they can perform lending activities. Yes, not like payments banks. Minimum capital is how much? 100 crores. Promoter must have 40% capital for first 5 years, right? So whenever you are studying about anything, you have to go through all the details. So what's the answer for this question? Equita Small Finance Bank is in Chennai. Equita's Small Finance Bank is in Chennai. Okay, moving on to the next one. Headquarters of Fino Payments Bank Limited is. Which is the first small finance bank in India? Can anyone tell me? We have seen the first payments bank is Airtel, right? Which is first small finance bank? Headquarters of Fino Payments Bank. You will get the PDF in the description after the session is over. Don't worry about the PDF. Just Fino Payments Bank headquarters is in Mumbai. Mumbai is the right answer. Fino Payments Bank headquarters is in Mumbai. Moving on to next question of the day. How much percentage of FDI is allowed for payments bank in India? How much percentage of FDI is allowed in payments bank in India? I'm sorry, I did not answer this. The first small finance bank is Capital Small Finance Bank, headquartered at Jalandhar of Punjab. First small finance bank is Jalandhar of Punjab. First payments bank is Airtel Bank. Okay, how much percentage of FDI is allowed for payments bank in India? FDI, foreign direct investment. How much percentage of foreign investment is allowed? In public sector banks, I've already told you. And in private sector banks. Yes, most of you go with 74%. Yes, 74% is the right answer, or also for payments bank also. For public sector banks 20% and private sector banks 74%. Recently 24,000 crores capital infusion was done for HDFC, so that total FDI doesn't cross 74% in that private sector bank. So for payments bank also 74% FDI is allowed in India through automatic route. Next, headquarters of Fincare Small Finance Bank. Fincare Small Finance Bank. Yes, the right answer is Bengaluru. Bengaluru is the right answer. Fincare Small Finance Bank. You have to remember these headquarters, no other go. Okay, these are the direct questions. If you can't remember, try to write somewhere and recall them. Okay. Next, loans to individual up to how much in metropolitan cities is allowed under priority sector lending by RBI? Hope you know priority sector lending. Right, like agriculture, education. Housing. All the banks in India, they have to divert some part of their loans compulsorily to priority sector lending. Currently it is 40%. Suppose if SBI is giving 100 crores, 40 crores must be given to priority sector lending only. The shortfall amount, if any bank doesn't give, that will be credited to shortfall, will be credited to RIDF, Rural Infrastructure Development Fund, under NABARD, so that it will be used for rural infrastructure development. What is the answer for this question? 35 lakh. Recently this is in news. Earlier it was 28 lakhs. Now it is 35 lakh rupees loans to be given under priority sector lending as compulsory by the banks in metropolitan cities. Okay, and in rural areas it is 20 lakhs. Okay. Sorry, 25 lakhs. What does P stands for in PCR? Is it prompt, public, post, primary or promissory? PCR. Sorry, it must be PCA. You can also take PCR also. We have Public Credit Registry. Recently it was in news, right? Public Credit Registry. Public Credit Registry. There was a committee was also formed by RBI. What was the committee name? YM Diosthali Committee on Public Credit Registry, so that all the defaulters details will be provided in that Public Credit Registry. Okay, we can also go for a provision credit ratio. Used in NPAs, non-performing assets. Okay, PCA stands for Prompt Corrective Action. Used by RBI against banks. Whenever they are unable to deal with the credit, this PCA will be levied on the banks. Currently 11 banks are under PCA, right? 11 public sector banks. Okay, moving on to next question of the day. So hope the right answer is public is the right answer. Public Credit Registry. And PCA means Prompt Corrective Action. And PCR also goes for Provision Credit Ratio. Next, headquarters of Northeast Small Finance Bank. Is it Manipal, Guwahati, Thiruvananthapuram, Tuticorin or Nainital? Headquarters of Northeast Small Finance Bank is at, I think very easy, directly you can say from the question. Who is going to answer this first? Northeast Small Finance Bank, yes, the answer say from the options you can say it is in Guwahati of Assam. The options nowhere Northeast is mentioned. The only option is Guwahati. Okay, Nainital is in Uttarakhand. Okay. Tuticorin is in Tamil Nadu, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, Manipal is in Karnataka. So the only option left is Guwahati. Sometimes you can get the options answer from the options itself. So you have to be smart. The first regional rural bank in India is it Pandyan Bank, Pallavan Bank, Baitarani Bank, Prathama Bank or Nainital Bank? First regional rural bank in India is First regional rural bank in India is, who is going to answer this first? As the name says first, if you know Hindi, Prathama means first, so Prathama Bank is the right answer. So regional rural banks to cater rural areas, these were started in India on 2nd October on Gandhi Jayanti through RRB Act 1975. So Prathama Bank is established in Uttar Pradesh with the help of a syndicate bank. What is the tagline of syndicate bank? You can see the dog photo, right? So you can say faithful and friendly. You can remember like that. Union government holds in an RRB. Union government holds 50%. State government holds 15%. How much is left? Sponsoring public sector bank will hold 35%. Here the syndicate bank is sponsoring it. State government Uttar Pradesh. Okay. So first RRB in India is Prathama Bank. How many RRBs are there in India? Totally 56 RRBs are there in India. Earlier we had 256. Now they were reduced. Now we have only 56 RRBs in India. So moving on to next question of the day. The banking ombudsman charges how much fee for filing and resolving customer complaints? Is it 100, 200, 300, 500 or no fee? Banking Ombudsman, this was introduced by RBI in 2006. Banking Ombudsman, who is going to answer this first? Yes, Ajay Khare says no fee. Some say 100, some say 200. So there are mixed answers. Our TalentSprint students say no fee. So hope you have gone through our video lectures on TalentSprint. So banking ombudsman charges, how much? Is it 100, 200, 300, 500 or no fee? No fee is the right answer, free of cost. You can file the banking ombudsman. Who is banking ombudsman? Currently 20 banking ombudsman are appointed by RBI. For each bank there will be one banking ombudsman. Okay, so you can file the complaints. First you have to go, you have to complain with the manager of the bank. If you are not satisfied with it, you can go to the banking ombudsman. Suppose you are not satisfied with the judgment of banking ombudsman, final authority is Deputy Governor of RBI. Clear with this, everyone? And the minimum amount you have to for the fee or filing is 1 lakh. 1 lakh, the complaint should be of 1 lakh. You can also file the internet banking complaints also. Regarding credit cards, all those you can file the complaints. Okay, clear with this? And the maximum compensation is up to 20 lakh rupees. Earlier it was 10 lakhs, now it is 20 lakh rupees. Okay, moving on to next question of the day. Limit on the amount of compensation as specified in a award of banking ombudsman. Just now I have told you what's the answer. Limit on the amount of compensation as specified in award of banking ombudsman. Just now I have told you 20 lakhs. So minimum is 1 lakh. Maximum is 20 lakhs. Okay. For filing is, this is for compensation. Clear? Currently 20 banking ombudsmen are present in the country. India's first cooperative bank is, India's first cooperative bank is, yes, who is going to answer this first? India's first cooperative bank is, we have seen first RRB, right? That is for Prathama Bank in Uttar Pradesh. With the help of Syndicate Bank it was established. Then which is the first cooperative bank? Yes, who is going to answer this? Kavita has given the right answer. Anonya Cooperative Bank is the right answer. This is the first cooperative bank. Cooperative means what? Some group of individuals will come and become cooperatives and they will form a small bank. This is the first. Recently RBI has cancelled the license of Alvar Cooperative Bank or not. So this is in news. Yes, Alvar Cooperative Bank license was cancelled recently, right? And for all the depositors, DICGC will be giving up how much amount maximum? Because all the depositors are given insurance of 1 lakh rupees. Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation of India, it is under RBI, right? So maximum 1 lakh rupees they will get under their deposits. Till the last depositor has got the rupees, their money, RBI will stand still. That's why it is called as lender of last resort. Which of the following was the first country to implement GST to reduce tax evasion? First country in the world. Is it France, USA, Germany, Switzerland, UK? You have 5 seconds for each question. First in the country in the world to implement GST to reduce the tax evasion. What could be the answer for this question? First in the country in the world. Yes, the right answer is France is the right answer. It has implemented for the first time in the world to reduce the tax evasion. Moving on to next question of the day. Which of the following countries' GST model India has adopted? Is it France, Canada, Germany, Switzerland, or none of these? Which of the following countries' GST model India has adopted or inspired? From Constitution, we have taken many items from different countries, right? But regarding GST, from which country we have inspired? Yes, most of you say it's Canada. Yes, Canada is the right answer. The double or dual GST model we have taken from Canada. India has inspired from Canada. Moving on to next question of the day. Which of the following country has the highest GST in the world? Is it Australia, France, Canada, USA and India? It is very easy. Hope you can say it. Which country has the highest GST in the world? Australia, France, Canada, USA, India. What could be the right answer for this question? Yes, obviously India. We have the highest tax. How much is it? We have 0, 5, 12, 18 and 28. That's why it's the largest tax, 28%. So India takes this credit of having the highest GST tax rate in the world. Next, Lokpriya Gopinath Bardoli International Airport is located in the state of, is it Assam, Meghalaya, Sikkim, Tripura, none of these? What do you mean by higher GST? Higher GST means higher the tax rates. That's it. Okay. Lokpriya Gopinath Bardoli International Airport. What is the tagline of GST? One nation, one tax, one market. GST day 1st July, right? Lokpriya Gopinath Bardoli International Airport is in the state of. PDF will be provided in the description. Don't worry, after the session gets completed. Yes, who is going to answer this first? Yes, Assam is the right answer. Lokpriya Gopinath International Airport is located in Assam. Moving on to next question of the day. Kanchenjunga National Park is located in the state of. Is it Assam, Sikkim, Tripura, Meghalaya or Manipur? If you know where is Kanchenjunga mountain is situated, you can easily answer this. Last year in 2017, it was marked as mixed UNESCO's World Heritage Site. Only mixed site from India. Generally, Kanchenjunga is in the border of Sikkim as well as Nepal, right? So, what is the right answer? Sikkim is the right answer. So, Kanchenjunga National Park is located in the state of Sikkim. It is a mixed UNESCO's World Heritage Site. Harima Shakti 2018 is a joint military exercise between India and, is it Indonesia, Bangladesh, France, Russia, Malaysia? Harima Shakti 2018 is a joint military exercise between India and which of the following? What could be the answer for this question? You have to remember these joint military exercise. Yes, the right answer is Malaysia is the right answer. So Harima Shakti is between India as well as Malaysia. Russia we have Indra, right? Bangladesh we have Sampriti. Okay, France we have Varuna. So for Malaysia it is Harima Shakti. Okay. For US we have Yuddha Abhyas. Recently Malabar we have seen, right? Operation Malabar. It was between US, India and Japan. Okay. For France, Garuda is military exercise and Varuna is navy exercise. Okay. Remaining all are military exercise only. What does P stands for in APBS? Is it payment, people, public, private, permanent? Somebody says PASEX is for Indonesia. PASEX is conducted for all other nations. It is not only particularly for Indonesia. I will go fast, don't worry, because there will be all these different kinds of students. Some will be above average, some will be very fast. So my speed will be above average. So what does P stands for APBS? Payment, people, public, private, permanent. APBS, AEPS, all these are related to Aadhaar. A stands for Aadhaar, payment, bridge system. That means using Aadhaar the payments is done. Aadhaar enabled payment system. Clear with this? Aadhaar payment bridge system, Aadhaar enabled payment system. So P stands for payment system here. Okay, payment. Next, Mukurthi National Park is located in the state of Kerala, West Bengal, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. Mukurthi National Park is in the state of Mukurthi National Park is in the state of. Yes, what could be the right answer for this question? So yes, the right answer is Tamil Nadu is the right answer. Mudumalai Tiger Reserve, Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve. Okay, all these are in Tamil Nadu only. Mukurthi National Park is also in Tamil Nadu. Kerala we have Silent Valley National Park, Anamudi Shola National Park, Periyar National Park, yes. West Bengal we have Gorumara, Baksa, Jaipalguri, Jaldapara, Gujarat we have Gir National Park. Okay, Black Bug National Park, all these are in Gujarat. Andhra Pradesh we have Sri Venkateshwara National Park. Vansda National Park in Gujarat. Okay, clear with this? Next question, Tehri Dam is situated on which river in Uttarakhand? Is it Alakananda, Yamuna, Indus, Bhagirathi, Brahmaputra? Tehri Dam is situated in across which river in Uttarakhand? Tehri Dam, very easy, Alakananda and Bhagirathi. So Alakananda comes from Badrinath and Bhagirathi comes from Gangotri Glacier, and at Dev Prayag they will meet in Uttarakhand, the famous Dev Prayag in Uttarakhand, and then they will move as Ganges and they will enter the Bangladesh. And in Bangladesh, Ganga is called as Padma and Brahmaputra is called as Jamuna. Okay, and they will move into the Bay of Bengal. So Tehri Dam is situated in Uttarakhand on Bhagirathi river. So option 4 is the right answer. Moving on to next question of the day. LIC was nationalized in, is it 1947, 50, 35, 56 or 49? LIC was nationalized in the year, our Life Insurance Corporation of India, the largest in India. LIC was nationalized in which year? Is it life in? So what is the answer? Yes, the right answer is 1956. When was SBI nationalized? SBI was nationalized in 1955 and LIC was nationalized in the year 1956. Both are in first 5-year plan, 1951 to 56. Okay. Next question. Ziget mobile wallet was launched by, is it HDFC, ICICI, IndusInd, Axis, IDFC? Ziget mobile wallet. LIC is headquartered at Mumbai. Okay. Ziget mobile wallet was launched by, you know, 811 is for Kotak Mahindra, right? What could be the answer? Ziget mobile app was launched by. The right answer is IDFC. IDFC is the right answer. Industrial Development Financial Corporation is the right answer. Ziget mobile app was launched by ICICI. Axis has launched Lime app, Ping Pay. Okay. HDFC has launched Pays app. ICICI has iMobile, Pockets. Okay, clear with this, everyone? So IDFC has launched this Ziget. Next, Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary is in the state of, is it Haryana, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu or Gujarat? Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary is in the state of, yes, very easy. Someone has said the answer before also. Yes, the right answer is Andhra Pradesh, Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary, Krishna Wildlife Sanctuary, Koringa, all these are in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, and Haryana we have Sultanpur National Park, Kalesar National Park, all these are in Haryana. We have already seen all these. Okay, and Haryana, Sultanpur National Park, Kalesar National Park, all these are present in Haryana. The right answer is Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary is in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Next, Bank of Rajasthan was merged with, is it Axis, HDFC, Kotak Mahindra, Yes Bank or ICICI? Bank of Rajasthan was merged with, yes, it was done in 2010. See, we have 14 nationalized banks which were nationalized in the year 1969, plus 6 more were added. 6 more were nationalized in 1980, and we have SBI plus IDBI. Actually, it should be 22 public sector banks, but one is minus because this one is New Bank of India. It was merged with Punjab National Bank in 1993. Okay, this is a different story. What is the answer here? Bank of Rajasthan was merged with ICICI in 2010. Clear with this? New Bank of India was merged with Punjab National Bank in 1993. Okay, Bank of Saurashtra, all these are also were merged with SBI. Okay, you have to be aware of these mergers also. Okay, ING Vaishya was merged with Kotak Mahindra Bank, right? Next, Ping Pay app was launched by, just now I've told you, is it Kotak Mahindra, ICICI, IndusInd, Axis or IDFC? Ping Pay app. I think you can easily say the answer. Ping Pay app was launched by, yes, the right answer is Axis. Axis Bank is the right answer. It has launched Lime app, Ping Pay. All these are launched by Axis. I've told you iMobile is for ICICI. IDFC we have seen Ziget. HDFC has launched Pays app. Kotak Mahindra 811. Okay. Yes, moving on to the next question of the day. NBFCs can accept public deposits for a maximum period of, is it 6 months, 60 months, 36 months, 12 months or 48 months? NBFCs can accept public deposits for a maximum period of, what do you mean by NBFC? Non-banking financial companies. That means they are not into regular banking, non-banking, not into regular banking, can accept deposits, but only term deposits, not demand deposits. Remember this, they cannot accept demand deposits but only term deposits. So who is going to answer this first? NBFCs can accept public deposits. They are registered under Companies Act 1956. Okay, they are not registered under RBI Act of 1934. Okay. They cannot give loans to agriculture, real estate industries. They can invest in stock markets, but they cannot give loans to agriculture industries. Okay, what's the answer for this question? 60 months is the right answer. So 60 months, maximum period is for a deposit in NBFC. Okay, non-banking financial companies. Himachal Pradesh second capital is it Manali, Solan, Shimla, Kulu, Dharamshala? You know, everyone knows first capital is Shimla, right? First capital is Shimla. Then which is the second capital? Yes, the right answer is Dharamshala. Dharamshala, right answer. The highest stadium is also in Dharamshala. Means based on height. From mean sea level, the highest stadium is also in Dharamshala in Himachal Pradesh. Okay, clear with this? Moving on to next question of the day. Section related to checks in Negotiable Instruments Act 1881 is it section 6B, 6A, 5A, 6C, 6D? What are negotiable instruments? These are legally valid instruments for fund transfer, checks, promissory notes, bill of exchange. All these are mentioned in section 13 of Negotiable Instruments Act 1881. So most of you go with section 6A, But what is the right answer? Section 6B is the right answer. Checks, truncated checks are mentioned in. Truncated means the paper ones. Electronic means without the paper ones. Okay, hope you know about a check. They are governed by, what are the standards? Check truncation standards or system 2010. These are the rules specified for all the authorities which are issuing checks in the bank. Hope you have seen on the left hand side some people writing 2 lines. What are those 2 lines? These indicates account pay. Okay, you will write pay to someone else. Okay, his account details will be present, right? Here the date of the issuing check will be mentioned. What is the validity of a check? Validity is 90 days. 90 days is the validity of a check in India. Okay, clear with this? You have the check number in the below, which is of 6 digits. Next you will be having MICR code of 9 digits. Clear, everyone? And you have the signature here. Clear with this? So why this crossed lines is done? If you leave, if you can write account pay also in between them. Okay, that is called crossed check. Okay, if you don't write anything, it is called blank check. Suppose if there are no funds in the check, it will result in check dishonor. Check dishonor. It's called as check dishonor. That means check bounce. Generally people call it as check bounce. So it may result in legal proceedings also. This is done under section 138 under the Negotiable Instruments Act 1881. This act was passed on 1st March 1882. Remember, 1st March 1882. Clear with this? No funds in bank account is called as check dishonor. Suppose you have written, instead of 100, you have written like this, 100 rupees only. Does the check is valid? No. You have to sign below it saying there is a mistake. Don't strike it again. Okay. Clear with this? Moving on to next question of the day. Forge Your Future was authored by, is it Swami Vivekananda, Narendra Modi, Arundhati Roy, APJ Abdul Kalam, Jawaharlal Nehru? Forge Your Future book. Forge Your Future book was authored by which of the following? Forge Your Future book was authored by which of the following? Yes, the right answer is our people's president, Abdul Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam. From 2002 to 2007 he was the president of India. So he has written this book, Forge Your Future, Wings of Fire. All these books are written by him. Okay, moving on. Somebody asks, what is check bounce? Check bounce means if there are insufficient funds, both will be charged. Those who is issuing the check, those who wants to take the money, both will be penalized by the bank for wasting the bank's time. Okay, and the person who wants to receive the money can also go for legal proceedings. So be careful while handling with checks. So moving on to next question. How many bleed lines are present in 2000 rupee note? Is it 13, 15, 7, 6, 4? Bleed lines are useful for blind candidates to recognize the currency. So what could be the right answer for this question? How many bleed lines? 7 is the right answer. What is the back of 2000 rupees note? It is Mangalyaan, Mom mission, right? Yes or no? Backside of 2000 rupee note, what is the color? The magenta color which is used. Okay, moving on to next question of the day. An Unsuitable Boy is an autobiography of, is it Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor, Hrithik Roshan, Salman Khan, Karan Johar? An Unsuitable Boy is an autobiography of Unsuitable Boy. Yes, the right answer is, who is going to answer this first? An Unsuitable Boy is an autobiography of, yes, the right answer is the famous Bollywood producer, Bollywood director and producer, Karan Johar. Is his autobiography, An Unsuitable Boy. Next, where is the headquarters of India's Meteorological Department, IMD? Is it Kolkata, Dehradun, New Delhi? Tirupati, Chennai, Tirupati. Headquarters of India's Meteorological Department, which is under Ministry of Earth Sciences. Yes, what is the right answer? New Delhi is the right answer. It is headquartered in New Delhi. Okay, under Ministry of Earth Sciences. Next question. 2022 Commonwealth Games will be held in which country? Is it South Africa, Canada, Malaysia, India and England? 2022 Commonwealth Games will be held in which of the following countries? 2018 was held in Gold Coast of Australia, right? 2014 in Glasgow of Scotland. Where will be 2022 held? Yes, the right answer is Birmingham of England. What about FIFA? FIFA 2018 is in Russia, right? 2022 is in Qatar. 2026 is in US, Canada and Mexico. And 2019 Women's FIFA will be held in Paris. Okay. What about Olympics? 2016 is in Rio. 2020 is in Tokyo of Japan. Clear, everyone? Yes. Shall we move on to the next one? Neeraj Chopra is related to which of the following sports? Is it boxing, javelin throw, weightlifting, badminton, shooting? Neeraj Chopra has won gold in Commonwealth Games 2018 at Gold Coast, Australia, right? So Neeraj Chopra has first gold in javelin throw. He has thrown to a record distance in javelin throw. Neeraj Chopra is related to javelin throw. Headquarters of Bandhan Bank is it Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, Lucknow? Bandhan Bank. Headquarters, MD and CEO. Tagline. Bandhan Bank, remember, it is a private sector bank, not public sector. It is a private sector bank. Headquarters of Bandhan Bank is at, yes, the right answer is Kolkata is the right answer. MD and CEO is Chandrasekhar Ghosh. What is the tagline? Aapka Bhala Sabka Bhalai. Yours prosperity is everyone's prosperity. Okay, this is the tagline of Bandhan Bank. It's a private sector bank. Its MD and CEO is Chandrasekhar Ghosh. Its tagline is Aapka Bhalai Sabka Bhalai. Next, Desert Tiger 5 is a joint military exercise between which of the following countries? Is it UAE and Malaysia, Saudi Arabia and Singapore, Qatar, Vietnam, Iran, USA, India, Iraq? Desert Tiger 5. Yes, the right answer is UAE and Malaysia is the right answer. Desert Tiger 5 is the right. UAE's capital is Abu Dhabi and Malaysia's capital is Kuala Lumpur. Okay, and Malaysia's currency is ringgit. This is dinar. Okay, moving on to next question of the day. Maximum loan given under Stand Up India scheme is it 10 lakhs, 25 lakhs, 50, 1 crore, 10 crores? Stand Up India scheme is for SC, ST and women entrepreneurs. Yes. Stand Up India scheme. Yes, we'll complete the questions. We have only 50 questions. Maximum loan given under Stand Up India scheme is options. Yes, the right answer is 1 crore. 1 crore is the right answer. Minimum is 10 lakhs and maximum is 1 crore. Okay, starting from 7 years, the loan will be given for a period of minimum 7 years. For SC, ST and women entrepreneurs, and the responsibility is SIDBI. Responsibility is taken by SIDBI, which is headquartered at Lucknow. Okay, Mohammad Mustafa is the chairman of SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India, and the responsibility of Stand Up India scheme is of SIDBI. This was asked once in Civil Services Prelims examination. Okay, Tamur Pingla Wildlife Sanctuary is it Haryana, West Bengal, Assam, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh? Tamur Pingla Wildlife Sanctuary is in Yes, the right answer is Chhattisgarh is the right answer. In Rajasthan, we have Ranthambore. Okay, Ranthambore National Park or Ranthambore Tiger Reserve, Sariska Tiger Reserve. All these are present in Rajasthan. And Assam, we have Manas National Park or Biosphere Reserve or Tiger Reserve, and Nameri National Park, Orang National Park. Okay, Manas, Kaziranga National Park. All these are present in Assam. West Bengal we have seen, Haryana we have seen, Rajasthan is Ranthambore Tiger Reserve, Sariska Tiger Reserve. Okay, and in Chhattisgarh we have Tamur Pingla Wildlife Sanctuary. Okay, and we also have Tamur Pingla Wildlife Sanctuary in Chhattisgarh. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize is given in the field of medicine, cleanliness, mathematics, science and technology or public service. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize is given in India. Yes, the right answer is medicine. Sorry, medicine is BC Roy Awards or Bidhan Chandra Roy Awards. The right answer is BC Roy belongs to, he was a former Chief Minister of West Bengal. We celebrate National Doctors Day. On 1st July. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize is related to science and technology. CSIR takes care of it. Okay, clear with this. Abel Prize, this is for mathematics. This question was asked in last year's CDS exam. Abel Prize, this was given last year. Public Service, Public Administration Awards given on Civil Service Day. Okay. For hospitals, we have Kayakalp Awards, or for Swachh Bharat, we have Kayakalp Hospitals cleanliness and the service given to them. We have Kayakalp Awards given by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Next question. World Trade Organization's headquarters is at Paris, Geneva, London, Vienna, New York. World Trade Organization's headquarters is at Paris, Geneva, London, Vienna or New York. So what is the right answer for this question? Geneva is the right answer. At Geneva we have World Health Organization, World Trade Organization, World Intellectual Property Organization, okay, and World Meteorological Organization. Okay, clear with this. Doctors Without Borders, International Labour Organization, all these are at Geneva of Switzerland. At Paris we have UNESCO, Financial Action Task Force, all these are at Paris of France. London we have International Maritime Organization, Amnesty International. Vienna we have International Atomic Energy Agency, Gulf Cooperation, International Atomic Energy Agency, UN Office on Drugs and Crime, United Nations Industries Development Organization. At New York we have United Nations Populations Fund, UN Women, and UNICEF. UNECTAD is at Geneva of Switzerland. I have provided the e-book on talentsprint.com. You can go through it. All the headquarters of the various international organizations. Okay, moving on to next question of the day. Which of the following operates in hourly batches? RTGS, UPI, MMID, IMPS, NEFT. Which of the following operates in hourly batches? Yes, OPEC is also in Vienna. WHO is at Geneva, I have already written. Which of the following operates in hourly batches? Yes, NEFT is the right answer, National Electronic Fund Transfer. RTGS stands for Real Time Gross Settlement System. So this takes hourly batches, okay, for half an hour or 1 hour they will be settled. All the transactions of that 1 hour will be settled after that 1 hour. RTGS, it will be at least it will take about 10 to 15 minutes. UPI, it will be Instant Unified Payment Interface. MMID, you know, Mobile Money Identifier. And IMPS stands for Immediate Payment Service. Okay, this will be instant. but only NEFT takes hourly batches. The right answer is National Electronic Fund Transfer. Who is the present governor of Haryana? Is it Kaptan Singh Solanki, VP Singh Badnor, Narendranath Vohra, Ganga Prasad, Balram Das Tandon? Just a minute, I'll be back in 1 minute. Yes, what is the right answer for this question? Kaptan Singh Solanki is the right answer. Who is the CM of Haryana? Who is the CM of Haryana? It's Manohar Lal Khattar is the right answer. VP Singh Badnor is for Punjab. Who is the CM? Amarendra Singh from Congress. Narendranath Vohra is a governor of Jammu and Kashmir. Ganga Prasad is for Meghalaya, and the CM is Konrad Sangma, right? And Balram Das Tandon is for Chhattisgarh. And who is the CM? Raman Singh. Moving on to next question of the day. Headquarters of Standard Chartered Bank is at? Is it London, New York, Paris, Canberra or Copenhagen? Yes, PDF will be provided. We have only 50 questions in this session. Don't worry, we don't have a lot of questions. We'll be doing in 4 parts. So what is the right answer? Standard Chartered Bank is at London. Clear with this? Yes. Moving on to next question of the day. OTP is not required for online transactions up to. The last question of the day. Is it 1 lakh, 1,000 rupees, 2,000, 5,000 or 10,000? OTP, one-time password or one-time PIN, is not required for online transactions up to how much? Who is going to answer this first? One-time PIN or one-time password. The last question of the day. What is the answer? Yes. The right answer is 2,000 rupees. Last year RBI has declared up to 2,000 rupees. There is no OTP required for fund transfers. Okay. So this is all for this session. Please let me know your score. How much did you score for 50 questions? We'll meet in the next sessions in the part 2. We'll be seeing 50 more questions in the part 2. We'll be continuing these sessions with the 3 more sessions with 50 questions each. Hope you have enjoyed the session. And regarding free coaching, you can subscribe to TalentSprint, examprep.talentsprint.com. Okay. So thank you so much and take very good care of yourselves. Hope you have scored a minimum at least 35 plus. Those who have scored 35 plus is very good score. And all the best for your preparation regarding general awareness. I'll meet you in the next sessions. Thank you so much.